today we have a tie-dye explosion. Yay! I hope it will be so fun! Let's see what's here. So there's a squishy bottle, there's only 4. And there's a bag, there's a hat, there's a pencil case, and a coin purse. Yes! Let's open it! Here's our stuff that we got for that. And then our bottle. Now, let's open this. So we got some gloves, big, massive gloves. And then our money purse right here. So let's just put it right there. And then I got a pencil case. It's all white and black.
I like that one.
And now let's open the other one. I think this is a bag. Yes, it's a bag. Wow. And we have a hat right here. Plain hat. Now what's this? It's rubber band.
What?
Now let's see what the color is. This looks like hot pink. It says hot pink on there. So now this one is just normal pink. Now let's have that one. That's blue. See right there. And this is lime. Lime is a green. But I got my apron now. My baby brother is going to sleep because he's too tired. So I'm just doing it all on my own. So here we go. So we filled this with the bottle. There's only 4. Okay, and then we got some towels for emergency. And some rubber bands, they are protective. And some gloves, they're too big for me anyway. And our items, there's soap. And here's plastic bag. And we have plastic tin foil to cover our desk so it didn't get dirty. Now let's get started. So, which color should I choose? I better think of that first. But I am doing my rubber band before I think. So I'm going to put it like that. And then I'll go like that. I'll only put 2, but not 1. I rolled my sleeves just so it didn't get on my clothes, and I got some protective gloves too. So let's put them on. I think they're going to be a little bit big. Let's try them on. Now I got my colors. This is pink. I don't have hot pink. And I got some blue. So, some few drops. Now I'm going to turn it around, this spray, and I'm going to use the other color, pink. Look, it looks like purple. Now let's take our rubber bands out. It's so beautiful. I'm going to put this one dry. A little bit wet, so I'm going to choose another one. I'm going to take my gloves off, put the rubber bands on, then I'm going to put them on again. So, here's the plain one, and then I'm going to put it like that. So put one like that, and then the other one like that. So it's like that, so we're going to put 3 maybe. I got 3 colors now. I'm going to do it in sections. So now let's put my gloves again on. So now, which one should I choose first? I might choose hot pink first. Now we have finished. Now I'm going to take my rubber bands off with my protective gloves. It's going to be a little bit tricky. Now let's take the last one. Now we've finished. So let's see how it looks like. Wow! It looks so cool. It's lit little bit of white, it's okay. Now let's put it in front like you can see. I'm gonna choose the cap now. Now this is gonna be really hard to spend. So, okay, now my rubber bands are finished. Now I'm gonna use all 4. So, which one should I choose? But first I need to put my gloves on. I've forgotten about that again. Now, I'm gonna put a little bit of blue. Gonna fold it like me. And then I'm gonna have first. Like that. Do you think that looks nice to you? I think it's better looks nice. So now I'm gonna use the pink. I have never done this before. So now I'm going to use 4 colours. I'm going to use the green or lime, I'll say. Okay, now the last colour, hot pink. I'm going to put it somewhere there. Is that kind of red? Right, I think that looks better nice. So now I'm going to put it in the inside. That was easy. Now let's see how it looked like. Whoa. Mostly it's cool. Really cool. Okay, so I'm going to put that one right there so it can dry. Okay, the last one. The huge bag. So really sick. Now let's put it here. So now I am going to use all of them again, but first I'm going to use pink. Wow. Now it's finished, and let's hold it up. I think it turns so great with the bag. I hope you like my video. And look how I done today. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.